Hello, and welcome to the High Score Labs series on Drupal 8. This is our third episode. We're going to be duplicating a content view and adding a banner block to showcase the content. Alright, let's get started. So here we have our Umami Food Magazine profile that we installed from the previous video. We're going to continue with that and log in with our credentials that we created in the last video. Alright, once we're in, we're going to click on the structure, site structure component up in the navigation. This will give us into all of our different structure pieces, blocks, display modes, media types, menus, taxonomies, and then views. So we're going to go to views, and we're looking for the recipe view, where we have several recipes that we created on the main nav of the site. So I'm going to go ahead and show you where that is on the front end. If you go to the front end of the site, the Umami Food Magazine, you see on the navigational menu, you have articles and recipes. Those are both views. So what they do is they bring in content items of recipe or article types onto one page in a listing in a grid format, so you can actually see it all in one page. So we'll go back to our view structure listing, and we're looking for recipe, and we're just gonna, that's the one we're gonna duplicate. It's got the recipe's URL alias, which is what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and click the little drop down context arrow and hit duplicate. I'm just gonna name this easy recipes, because what I'm gonna do is filter it based on difficulty, which is filter criteria. So I'll go ahead and change the path for the alias on the link to easy recipes. Also, you can do easy recipes as the title. I'm just doing this real quickly. I'm going to add it to the menu for the main navigation, so it doesn't have to go under anything. It'll be its own navigational menu item. Go ahead and save that. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to filter it. So here's your filter criteria. We're going to hit add, and I'm going to search by difficulty, because I want to use the easy value to show all the easiest recipes on one page. So I'll go ahead and hit apply on that, and once I'm there, I'm going to scroll down, and it gives you a preview of which ones would be listed out of the filtered criteria. And you can see that there's your vegetarian baked pasta dish and several other items that are marked as easy. So we're going to go ahead and save this duplicated view. Make sure I got everything that I need. Yep, so it looks good. Go ahead and save it. Give it a second. Once it saves, it'll be its own view. And it'll also have created a new menu link on the home page. So now you have easy recipes. So if you click it, you'll see that the 4 items that were listed as easy difficulty are now on one page. So it's kind of cool how that works. Just by creating views, you can move your content around into different regions, or in different views. So yeah. And you go to recipes, and you see the normal recipe. Now it has a banner up top. You see where it has the vegan chocolate and nut brownies? We're going to want to recreate this block onto the easy recipes, but for one of the easy recipes, not the medium difficulty. So we'll go to block layout, and I'm just going to create another tab so I can, first let me find the one that I'm looking for, which I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add a custom block, and it's going to be a banner block. So we're going to choose banner block. Block description is going to be the Umami Easy Recipe Banner. And I'm just going to kind of copy my settings over from the other one, but go ahead and give it a title. This will be inside the banner simple text area. So it'll be great, delicious pasta dish. That's what I'm going to go ahead and put. Baked pasta. You can change languages if you want Spanish or other languages. We're gonna keep it as English since I don't have translation for this one. Go ahead and type your summary, which will be whatever you want to have it say. But yeah, I'm just gonna have it say this is an amazingly easy pasta bake to make. There it is. That sounds fun. Alright, so now we're going to want to go ahead and create our link. We can search in the link. It'll do to start certain, type in pasta, and you'll see the type ahead will give you the option for super easy vegetarian pasta bake. And then once you grab that, just give it a link text for the link. I'm just going to say view recipe, so it'll put a text over the URL on the banner. Now we got to add an image, and we will choose the baked pasta image that is already associated with the recipe. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and save. Now that we have the block created, what we need to do is we have to add it to the layout, place it into the layout. So we're going to go back to the block layout tab, and it gives you all the different regions of the theme for the umami theme. And we're going to look for the banner top area, which is right here. We're going to click place block, and we're going to go ahead and find our umami easy recipe banner block. So I'm going to place that. I don't want to display the title because it'll mess up the formatting, so I'm going to uncheck display title. Have several tabs here. We're just going to choose the pages tab to make it the alias, and it's easy recipes. And the region will be banner top. We already chose that from where we placed it. And then just hit save block, and that'll save the entire that'll save it to the configuration, to the block layout configuration. And at that point, alright, at that point it's saved. So we can go back to the home screen. We should be able to see this banner, and it's not showing. See, I think I had a typo in the URL alias that I created, so I'm gonna go back into the block itself, the layout, where I placed it, and do the configuration. And let me double check the configuration. Alright, there it was. I missed the S. I did easy recipe instead of recipes. Simple fix. Go ahead and save block, and once it's saved, you can go ahead back to the home page. I'm gonna go ahead and save blocks again. I didn't know if it actually took. Okay, there we go. Go back to the home page, and you will be able to see on the menu easy recipes, and you should also see in there the pasta dish banner, which is there. So there it is up top, and it has the title and the description, and then our link that we created. So that's how you can duplicate a view and go ahead and add a banner. That's how you can do it. And it's quite easy. You can create articles in the same way. You can duplicate and create many views, and you can even make different view modes, different types. So if you want cards as opposed to whole content, you can do that. So it's pretty easy. That's an advanced feature of the Drupal CMS, but it is very powerful. It gives you a lot of power. So thanks for watching this video. At High Score Labs, we have many years experience working with the Drupal content management system, multiple installation profile types, modules, extensions, themes, from Drupal 6 to Drupal 8 and into the future of Drupal 9. If you have any need of assistance or want to request our services, please get a hold of us through our LinkedIn page or just message us on YouTube, and we will respond back. Thank you for watching the video. We have more to come. Stay tuned.